Hi, my name's Carrie Waltz. I share tips, tools, and techniques for the artist in you. And today is take 3 of an attempt to try to figure out how to set up my um, videoing a little more efficiently. If you saw my last video a couple of days ago, I had just hit a breaking point and I was so frustrated. Nothing was working. And when nothing works, you have to back up and regroup and figure out, what it is that you need to do, what you need to learn, what you need to change so that it'll work. So I am attempting today to video from an old phone. It's a Samsung phone that I just charged and updated, and I hope it won't lag like the other one. I tried 2 other takes with another phone because I didn't want to use my current phone. I wanted it to be available for when I need whatever it is that I need. And I didn't want to have to put it on a do not disturb and all that kind of stuff. So I'm videoing from my phone, but I'm connecting with StreamYard through my computer. And I'm going to attempt to show you how I have it set up. I did a little video that I hope to connect to this stream view, and I'm going to, whoops, hold on. It disappeared. My controls disappeared. Okay, so I'm going to add
With 2 cameras
video
and not
here.
have all this crazy feedback. I want to make it more convenient for me to sit down and video
Add to stream.
you the setup that I have, and then I'm going to include this little clip,
I'm not hearing
hopefully, in the
anything.
video that I'm going to do
Oh,
live.
shoot.
So I'm going to take this out of its
Maybe. Wait
holder
a minute.
and flip it. Okay, so I am sitting at my desk. This is my desk. I have a post right here that holds my Canon N50 and it's facing down. So whatever I do here is going to be able to be filmed by this camera. And I can see what's on the camera right here. Plus, I have my computer connected to my 42-inch television so I can see real big because I will be facing this way when I'm demoing. I'll be looking here, looking up here. So instead of having to look over to my computer, I can look straight ahead and I can see what y'all are seeing. That's the thought. Okay, I have an extra light here for added light while I'm demoing. Over here, I have my computer set up to the side. I have a HDMI output connected to my TV so that way I can see the TV and my computer screen at the same time. In live stream for StreamYard, I think I said Stream Live, sorry, StreamYard, I wanted a second camera, and I wanted it to where I could just switch back and forth from the camera that's up right now to another one. So right here is a holder for an old phone. It's charging right now, trying to update my Windows. I did an earlier I've already done 2 videos today with my Motorola and it kept pausing and lagging. So I'm hoping that this old Samsung will do a little better, but I will sign it into StreamYard and that's what I'll talk directly into, and then I can switch to the other camera for that. I also, looks like a mess, but I have my Rode wireless mics connected to me, so your audio should be better on this. It's just all hanging together because I had to have an adapter for this and then an adapter that'll connect to my computer and all that mess. So it isn't just a straightforward, easy thing to do. And I will also have to have an old-fashioned headphone jack attached to my old phone so that you won't hear all the feedback. So I'm hoping that that will work. So as soon as that is updated, I'm going to add that to the feed.
Well, I'm about to find out when I listen in to see if you heard anything. And if you did, then I'm going to post it. But I do think it's going to be nice when I sit over here and do this large and I can show you what it is that I'm working on because I got the phone set up directly above me. I'm not really thrilled with the lighting. I think I need to get it a little brighter, but This is where I'm going to do my demos, and hopefully, everything will work out. I'm flipping back to see if hopefully this computer and this phone and all this setup will work. And thank you for your patience and my time of need, stepping in and encouraging me. And when I get all this streamlined a little straighter and more efficiently, then I will start videoing lives in a more regular basis. So I will see you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.